Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone runs Realme UI6 and has the latest update. Without that, the feature won't appear. Next, open Settings, go to Display, and flip the Dynamic Island toggle on so the system creates the floating area. When the OS asks, grant notification access and overlay permissions. These let apps send compact alerts into the island. Once done, restart the phone if the island doesn't show immediately, because a reboot registers permissions cleanly. Now you refine how the island works. Go into Dynamic Island options and pick which apps can use it. Limiting apps reduces clutter and battery use. Then assign gestures, tap to expand, long press for more controls, swipe to dismiss, so you can interact quickly. Once gestures are set, test with a running timer, a music player, and an incoming call to confirm the island displays ongoing activity and lets you control it without opening full apps, which saves time and keeps focus. Finish by locking your preferred layout or saving a preset so updates won't reset placement. Make a habit of clearing an app's cache or rebooting if the island stops showing expected alerts. This resolves most transient bugs. If the island still fails for specific apps, open battery settings and exclude those apps from optimization so the system won't kill background processes that feed alerts. One troubleshooting tip: double-check notification permissions and overlays for the affected app before deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.